Hello students. Today we are starting our second unit from the subject intelligent test. What is our first unit? We have studied about compression. In the first unit there are three subtopics in the compression. The first is following the instruction, second is number series, and third is alphabet letters. After that, now we are looking our second lesson, that is classification. The word means classification means we have to classify or we have to group together of a given information. In surrounding we are looking at different things which shows us a similar properties which having common factor between them. So the same property, same common factor things we have to get together and we have to find the odd man out from that. So we have to group a similar property element and find out the odd element from that. So in this section classification there are three subtopics are included. First, questions may based on words, the question may be based on figure, and third is numbers. And this classification unit is 10% asking. There may be a question, 10% question may be asked from this lesson, that is classification. So today we are learning our first subtopic of the classification, that is word. Words. In this section what they are giving you in this subtopic, four words are given, out of which they are giving you four words, and from that four words out of which three words showing similar features or properties. From the group of four words there are three words which are similar in their properties, or there is a similar common factor between these three words, and the fourth word is a different in that. Means just like find out odd man out from given list of the number, but there is only a four option in the question. Students has to find out the different word from that. So in this now we see a different questions which are maybe asked into a class word classification. So what is the question? Select the term which does not match the group. We have to select a term or word which is not match with the given list of group. What is the first question? In the first question, what are the four words or four things? Leaf. First is leaf, second is flower, third is root, and fourth is branch. Just look on this four options: leaf, flower, root, and branch. What can I see? What we can see? Leaf, which is present above the ground on the tree. Flower also are present on the tree. Yes. Root, yes, it is a part of tree, but which is not present above the ground, which is below the soil, below the ground. And fourth is branch, yes, which is present, which is a part of also tree, which is present above the ground. So how we can identify? Leaf, flower, branch are present above the ground, but root is present below the ground, below the soil, under the ground. So what is a different thing? They are common factor because they are present above the ground and root is below the ground. So what is the odd man out word, or what is the word which does not match with this group is root. So our option number is 3, which is not match with this group. Now, so when you are solving this question, you should have the knowledge of science, geography, history, general knowledge, English, languages like Marathi, Hindi, then month in year, English year and Marathi year, month in Marathi year. So likewise there is different knowledge is required while solving this example. So we are taking a second example. Look, first option is milk, second is grass, third is egg, and fourth is meat. So we are looking what is a common factor between them. First is milk. Milk, yes. From whom we get milk? Yes, from cow we can get a milk. Yes, from animal. From animal we can get a milk. Grass is a plant. Third, egg from whom we get? From hen we can get egg. It is also animal. Then fourth is meat is from goat. So what is the common factor? Milk, egg and meat we get from animal, but grass we get from plant. So what is the difference? Different word is grass because they are get from animal. The different is grass. So answer is option number 2, grass. Look at a third. What is the first option? Well, second is shell, third is chill, and fourth is fell. What here we are required a knowledge of our English language. Look at the word well, shell, chill, and fell. But well, shell, and fell all are the rhyming words. They are rhyming words of each other. Well, shell, and fell. But word chill is not rhyme with all three words. So different word is chill. So our option number 3 is our answer. Option number 3 is our answer. Look at a different question. Now we see a question based on a language. Look at the first, Gujarati. Second is Punjabi. Third is Tamil, and fourth is Malwani. All these are languages spoken by man in a different region of India. Gujarati people speak in Gujarati where? In Gujarat state. Punjabi in Punjab, Tamil in Tamil Nadu, and Malwani in our Maharashtra. But a state language of Maharashtra is Marathi. Malwani is only regional language. It is only spoken in some part of Maharashtra. In a Konkan region, only Malwani is speaking. But Gujarati, Punjabi, and Tamil all are the state languages. But Malwani is not a state language. What is our state language of Maharashtra? It is Marathi. But Malwani is only a regional language which is spoken in only a Konkan. So what is the different word is Malwani because it is not a state language which is spoken in only a specific region of a Maharashtra in a Konkan. Next, question number 5. What is given? First is carom, second is chess, third is table tennis, and fourth is kho-kho. These all are the games, but carom, chess, and table tennis all are indoor games. Indoor games means we need not a ground for that, separate ground for that games. Carom, yes, we can easily play in a home. Chess also we can play in a home. Table tennis, but for the kho-kho we need a ground. So it is a outdoor game. So carom, chess, and table tennis all are indoor games, but kho-kho is a outdoor game. Outdoor means play on a ground. So what is the different word? Kho-kho, which is option number 4. Look at the last question. What is the four words are there? First is earthquake, tsunami, second, third is flood, and fourth is accident. What we see? Earthquake means bhukampa, tsunami means tsunami, and third flood means poor, accidents means abghat. So earthquakes, tsunami, and flood are the natural disasters. These are all are natural disasters. But accident, it is not a natural disaster. It is happened due to a man or mistakes made by a man. So it is a man-made disaster. So accident is not a natural disaster. All three are the natural disaster. This is a common factor between three is natural disaster. So what is the different word? Accident. This is option number 4, accident. Likewise, you can solve a different question based on the word. In homework, I will give you a different questions. There are different words or 4 words are given, and we have to found a odd man out or the term which is not matched with the given group. So likewise, you can solve this different question at home. Thank you.